Chicopee Public Library Kids Room, and welcome to another installment of STEAM at Home, where we bring our STEAM club to you. Today we are going to be making our own kaleidoscopes. Now, a kaleidoscope might be something you've played with before, you might have one at home, but today we are going to be making a do-it-yourself version. So what a kaleidoscope is it's a device that you can look through, and it uses mirrors to create a symmetrical pattern. Symmetrical means that it is the exact same on its axis or its middle. So if it just uses two mirrors, it means it's symmetrical on two sides. Ours uses three mirrors, so it's going to be symmetrical sort of three ways. So on our kaleidoscopes, we use tissue paper and light to create the pattern, and mylar paper to replicate the use of a mirror, since we don't have actual little mirrors. So after you assemble your kaleidoscope according to the instructions in the kit, you will hold it up to a light. Sometimes it might work if you're outside and it's sunny, or you can just use a lamp in your house, it doesn't matter. And you will turn your tissue paper circle. As you turn the circle, looking through the other end of the device into the light, you'll notice a pattern. And if you use contrasting colors when creating your circle, so that's to say colors that are opposites of each other on a color wheel, then it will kind of create a more dynamic pattern you can see. So like in this one, you've got your reddish color right next to your blue color. It creates a much more easy to see pattern in your mirror. You can change the pattern by spinning. Can you see when you look into your device? Can you see in the mirrored parts the pattern that it makes? One thing that might be interesting to do is once you finish this, you can use this part of the device and change out what you make the circle out of. We use tissue paper and this sort of sticky sticker paper because the light goes through tissue paper really well. But if you might have some other materials that might work well, and you can see what other kinds of patterns you could make. Remember though, it does need to be something that some light can go through. So a really thick paper or something like fabric's not going to work because the light won't be able to get through. But I'd be interested to see what it looks like. All right, folks, well, thank you for watching STEAM at Home with us. We hope you enjoyed this project, and keep an eye out for our next one coming soon. You can always find more information about what we're doing at the Chicopee Public Library website, check out our Facebook page, or just give us a call. Until next time.